Hi everyone. This is Miss Phelps here, your co-teacher for this course. I wanted to take some time to go over the quizzes that we have set into your syllabus for this class. I know that it can seem a little daunting with how many quizzes are in there, but we really wanted to just take this time to go over so that you were aware of what the format was for these quizzes. So we decided for this class to better help assist you all to really set the quizzes up in a way that was in alignment with the licensure exams. So what you will find in each quiz is each quiz will have a total of anywhere from 5 to 6 questions. Majority of those questions will be multiple choice like you see here at the top of this. And those questions are lined up to be close to what the NCE questions will look like. So if you're in a state where you will need to take the NCE in order to become licensed, then these multiple choice questions are going to be really beneficial in practicing for that. However, we do know that some of you all are in states that require the NCMHCE, so we wanted to provide you with those questions as well. Regardless of whether or not you are taking the NCE or the NCMHCE, these questions are designed to help you to understand the formats of those licensure exams. So we want to make sure that we're setting you up for the most success in that. If you are taking the time to watch this, these 2 questions here are an example of what you will find. So the 4 to 5 multiple choice questions will be set up very similar to this question right here. So Emily, a career counselor, is reviewing the history of career counseling with a new client, Mark. Mark is curious about how the field has evolved. What significant historical event marked the beginning of formalized career counseling? So as you can see here, the establishment of the first vocational guidance clinic is the correct answer. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you all that you should write that down because that is going to be in your first quiz. And then the open-ended question in the first quiz as well is, as a clinical mental health counselor, reflect on the historical developments in career counseling and their impact on integrating mental health aspects into the field. Additionally, discuss how understanding significant career development theories informs your therapeutic approach when addressing the interconnectedness of personal and career issues in your counseling practice. Provide specific examples or insights from your professional experience if applicable. So what we're really looking for here in terms of these open-ended questions is making sure that you're really highlighting the theme from each chapter, right? So each quiz is going to be over the chapters that you had leading up to that quiz. So quiz 1 will be over chapters 1 and 2, which means there are going to be questions that are focused primarily on chapters 1 and 2, right? So when you get to the open-ended question, we want to make sure that you're highlighting both what you learned in chapter 1 and in chapter 2. As you kind of progress in these quizzes, there are going to be more chapters per quiz. So you'll find that some of these quizzes have 1 question per chapter. I know that that can seem like a lot, but I just want you to be aware that we are going to provide study guides for these. Ultimately, at the end of the day, we want to help you succeed. And part of being successful is passing that licensure exam, which is what led us to use this type of formatting. So if you do have any questions about these, or maybe this doesn't make any sense, just reach out to myself or Dr. Stewart Hopkins. We would love to help provide any type of further clarification on this. But ultimately, we set these up so that you could find the most success in this whenever you finish your program and you are on to taking your licensure exam. So just keep in mind that each quiz is only going to have anywhere from 5 to 6 questions. All of them will be multiple choice, except the last question will be essay formatted. And we are looking that you are adding in something from each chapter that you read leading up to that quiz. It does not have to be super lengthy. It is just something that we are looking to make sure that you are understanding the information that is being taught. So I hope that this makes sense. I hope that this helps. Of course, if you have any questions, like I said, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to help. And I hope you all have a great day.